Hi everyone, this is Praktis Sumatif of Chapter 2 and Paper 1, question number 5. Given the equation of a curve y equals to 2x squared plus 7x minus 1, we have to find the coordinates of a point on the curve that has a gradient of 5. So normally I would just sketch a curve, right, to fill in the 3 important elements which form the golden triangle. All right, so I have all these 3 elements here. So first is the function of the curve, y equals to 2x squared plus 7x minus 1. And then we've got to find the coordinates. That means we do not know the coordinates, so just put x, y. And then we have the gradient of 5. Now the gradient means the gradient of the tangent equals to 5. Okay, so these three things form the golden triangle. Why do I say so? Because I can differentiate the y, which give us that gradient of tangent. And then isn't it the gradient function will be in x? So I can substitute the x value in here to get the exact value of my gradient. If I want to find the point, I just substitute this into the function. Then I can get the complete coordinates of the point. So in this case, since I have gradient of tangent, which gradient of tangent is also equivalent to 5, right? So the gradient of tangent is also equivalent to dy dx. Okay. Therefore, we differentiate the y. So we have 4x plus 7 equals to 5. So 4x equals to 5 minus 7, negative 2. Therefore, x equals to negative 2 over 4, so negative half. I have found x coordinates to be negative half. So I need to find the coordinates of the point. That means I need to find out the y as well. So therefore, I substitute the x equals to negative half into the function of y. So y equals to 2x squared plus 7x minus 1. So negative half, negative half. All right, so we will have 1 over 4, 2 times 1 over 4, so we have 1 over 2, minus 7 over 2, minus 1. So we can combine it. Combine it, so 1 minus 7, negative 6, plus minus 2. So we have negative 8 over 2, which is negative 4. So we found the points. We found the coordinates to be negative half and negative 4. And next, hence, find the value of constant p such that y equals to 5x plus p is the tangent to the curve. That means this tangent, the equation of this tangent is y equals to 5x plus p. So we have to recall, how do we find equation of tangent in the first place? To find the equation of tangent, we must have 2 things. One is the gradient of tangent, another one is the point. And the point we just found, negative half and negative 4. So with these 2 things, we sub into y minus y1, which is negative 4, so become plus 4, equals to the gradient. The gradient is 5. Okay, so 5x minus x1, which is minus negative half, so plus half. Okay, now let's simplify our equation here. So we have 5x plus 5 over 2 minus 4, that is y. So we have 5x plus 5 over 5 minus 8. So therefore we have 5x minus 3 over 2. And then we compare with the equation y. Okay, the equation y given 5x plus p. So we compare with 5x plus p. Therefore, obviously, p equals to negative 3 over 2. So we found the answer for question number 5.